Hello, good morning, traders and investors. Welcome back to our morning trading recommendations channel. Before we dive in, remember that everything we discuss here is purely for education and purpose. Make sure to do your own research or consult a financial expert before making any investment decision. Let's starting off with the commodities market updates. Overnight, the soybean oil December month rose 0.57 to close higher at 46.15. The Dalian active palm oil contracts rose 72 points to 7726 at the previous night sessions. Malaysia Palm oil futures reversed a 5-day decline to finish higher on Thursday, supported by the increased soybean oil price and improved demand from India for the commodity. The futures contract FCPO September month rose 17 points to close higher at 3935. In the latest price development, the palm price extend to trades in the upwards in the upward movement from previous sessions, and it remained in this upward channel. The latest price is actually hovering at the middle of the range, so here is quite a big range whether the markets will break up or will be trade down from this range. But overall, we see the upside still possible, but it could be limited. In the hourly charts, the price is previously there is a downward channel spotted around this range, and the price is actually break up from the downward channels. But latest it tried to form a upward channels as a higher high and higher low is spotted. Spotted in the charts, and the resistance range sit at 3970 to 75. So we monitor this range. If it could break higher, then we'll see the price to further higher, but also the upside still limited. If it fail to, then it could turn to sell, and our support is at 3935 to 3940. All right, so I will call for morning session on FCPO markets with a long position may be open above 3950 with the target at 3972 to 3991 and the stop loss at 3925. Alternatively, short position may be open below 3950 with the target at 3936 and 3915 with the stop loss at 3975. Next, we're shifting our focus to the index market update. Overnight, the Dow Jones rose about 32 points to 39753. The Dow Jones rose slightly. However, the other index, the Nasdaq and S&P 500, is actually declines on yesterday, and the bond yields decreased on Thursday following the U.S. inflation data that increased expectation of interest rate cut. Meanwhile, the yen strengthened against the dollar, prompting speculation about the potential intervention by Japan to bolster its currency. The FVMKLCI Malaysia Cash Benchmark Index surged for the third consecutive sessions on yesterday, reflecting the investor optimism due to increasing expectation of the interest rate cut in September. The futures July month rose 2 points to close higher at 1619. So here's yesterday the index in the daily charts remains in the upwards momentum, but it seems resisting at the top of the, we call it in the consolidation range is around 1625 to 24, and here is due to most likely due to profit taking activities. Now we got to monitor on this range. It's able to breaking this range or stand above this range, it is likely that the index will continue to going up, but it seems like still resistant at this range. In the hourly charts, the price is trading in the consolidations. It's likely remain in this range first before it breaking to any directions. So for support, we see at 1617 to 1618 range. So for morning recommendations on FKI markets, our call will be Okay, our call will be long position may be open above 1620 with the target at 1624 to 27 and stop loss at 1615. Alternatively, short position may be open below 1620 with the target at 1617 to 1614 and the stop loss at 1625. Right, and here's our recommendations for morning sessions. And as we wrap up this session analysis, keep in mind that the market is ever changing and successful trading requires both seizing opportunity and managing risk. Stay adaptable to market change, protect capital, and trade wisely. Keep in mind that everyone's perspective is subjective and the view presented here is up for reference. Wishing you all safe and successful trading. See you in the next update and happy trading.